A bread that is full of protein, gluten-free, no maida. You don't believe?
Welcome to our brand new series on healthy eating. Let's kickstart this brand new year with a goal we all deserve: healthy eating, healthy living. Today, we are diving into an amazing recipe: protein and flourless bread. You heard it right. Packed with goodness. This bread is a proof that eating right can be both nutritious and delicious. Stay tuned for more wholesome recipes to fuel your journey for a better health. Let's get started with the recipe now.
Let's begin with 1 cup of red lentils soaked overnight. Grind the soaked lentils into thick, smooth paste. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 eggs, yogurt and fresh dill. Blending while creamy. Add a burst of flavors with herbs, olives, feta cheese and seasonings. Again blending it together once again. Pour this vibrant mixture into a baking dish. Bake for 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And now, behold this golden beauty, the protein-rich lentil bread, fresh out of the oven, packed with nutrition and bursting with flavors. It's the perfect addition to your healthy lifestyle. Try this in your kitchen and take a step towards a healthier you. Happy cooking.
Look at this amazing bread that I just baked. No flour, no oil, absolutely protein packed. This is the perfect way to start your new year. What is your fitness goal this year? Let me know in the comments below. Till then, let me dig in. So good.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe.